Hello friends, and welcome back to my channel. Growing up, cooking collard greens took all day. Today we're going to cook gumbo collard greens in an Instapot pressure cooker, and it's only going to take 1 hour. You will be shocked at how well these greens turned out in the Instapot. The flavor and tenderness was spot on. I want to give a warm welcome to my returning subscribers, and if you're new here, don't forget to hit the subscribe button so you won't miss any of my newest uploads. Let's get started. So now we're going to add to it some smoked turkey wings. 3 capfuls of apple cider vinegar. Put in some olive oil, Scotch bonnet, just a little bit. Turmeric, garlic, and salt-free original blend. This is where you can add salt, just regular salt, but I like to use salt-free. Gonna cover it up. Pepper. Remove Instapot from high heat and let out pressure before we open it. Otherwise, it will explode. Okay, it looks like it's safe now. It has released most of the pressure. So we're gonna go ahead and open it. Trinity. Add some gumbo filet. Gumbo filet powder smells like eucalyptus and has a distinct flavor. The earth taste of filet powder is similar to the savory taste of thyme. That's going to help to thicken it just a little. Cover it back up and let it cook for another 15 minutes. So I have 3 bags of collard greens that are washed and ready to eat. Go ahead and pack these down in here. One hour later. Okay, it's been an hour and I'm going to turn it off. Should be done. You know it's good when the meat has fallen off the bone.